session to understand the basics of digital marketing, social media marketing, analytics. So you guys do your research when you get the time or only wait for the session. I am requesting you all at least interact on the chat box. It will be good for me and to you also. Joining this session makes more fruitful if you interact. Okay. If you guys haven't, then no issue. Simply write no. No big deal. Great, Nikhil. There's more than 20 people. Only Nikhil has research from where he can get the resources to learn more. Because in 1 month or 2 month internship, you cannot complete whole digital marketing course. So you have to go through your own also. I will also let you know from where you can get the resources. Rajiv, are you there? Okay, some more people will join or not? Okay, thank you. So I am requesting you all, okay, if this session is going through, at least interact whatever I'm asking you, answer yes or no, and if you abit this, there is no issue. Okay. And those who are connected with the phone, it is quite easy for them. Okay. Facebook page and ads. Okay. How many of you are well aware with the Facebook page and ads? Means actually, I want to know that how many of you are running a page or having a page and keep posting the content. How many of you have a page? Because today's session dedicated to how to set up your Facebook page and how to understand Facebook ads analytics and ads and how you can configure it in a better way. So I am expecting answer from all the participants, all the attendees. No issues, Nikhil. What about others? No issues, Midun, Akash, Divya, Santosh. Only 3 to 4 people or 5 people. Okay, Verma. That's great. So, will you tell me how many likes or followers you have on Instagram?
I'm not. It's not my personal page. I manage a page for an institution.
Oh,
So we have currently like 1,500 to 1,600.
okay.
It isn't that active,
Okay.
but we used to post. We were more active on Instagram.
No issues, both are like same. Okay, so depend on.
We have 1,600, and we keep our page very much professional. It's related to a college institution.
Okay,
So we have many cultural posts in the Instagram, but professional posts in the Facebook page.
okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I will request you. You are start sharing your screen.
Sorry, I didn't get you, sir.
I'm not talking about you. The name Nidhi has shared her screen.
Oh, okay.
So, if you are going to start or going to set up a page, this is question to the Verma. Uh, if you are going to start a page, how you will start the page? What is the purpose? How you will find on this topic or on this I have to start the page? Can you tell me? Well, Vama, I will request you, don't unmute yourself. Okay, write on the chat box. Will be easy for us.
Okay. Actually, I'm on phone. I'm trying to connect with the PC. Can you give me 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure. But if you want, you can say that if you are going to set up a page, how you will decide this will be the topic and this is the username, this will be the page name.
Whatever our company, if it's a personal one, then it definitely everything is related to the field you would be getting into. Like if I have a real estate platform, I am thinking of advertising a real estate or making a page for real estate. Then my all the details would be about related to real estate. There is a
Okay.
you can write the name of your enterprise.
Okay.
Uh, then you should select what category it defines.
No, we are going so deep. Okay. We simply ask with that ki how you will choose with that, what will be the username and what will be the topic, and I am going to share. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, okay, fine, fine.
Okay. Thank you, Verma.
Yeah.
First of all, whenever you are going to start a page, some people eagerly start a page and stop it. I am requesting you all, this is the best place where you can connect the people like you. Means like I'm a Vishwanath Tripathi, I don't have a business. I have nothing to sell. I have nothing to express. Simply just take a pen and your diary or a simple page and write down top three passions or top three things that you like most. Like Vishwanath Tripathi like to speak. On which topic I like to speak. I always try to connect the mythology thought to the current scenario or current frame of reference. I will just work on it. And after that, I like cricket, so I can write the post related on it. And after that, I like traveling. Okay, these are examples. But in three, on which topic I can simply generate the content for the audience, and the content must be for the long run. Just not like that ki I started a page for the IPL for the 2 to 3 months, and what I will do for the next 9 months. Okay, so whenever you are going to start a page or thinking to create your community where people love your content, simply do some research and do your work. Like Vishwanath Tripathi like to speak, so I used to write the quotation on councilword.in. I every morning I wake up, I write my own or copy somewhere. When I write my own quote, I simply put councilword.in. When I copy from others, I simply write that quote and in the below I mention that person name. For a long run, this is my frequency. Every morning, people will get a new quotation every day. Some people who create content weekly, monthly, or in a 15 days. The most crucial thing for setting a page, maintaining the frequency. If you think you can create a content in a week, like you have a video and you want to publish on the Facebook or Instagram, maintain the frequency. Okay, so we will at the end of the session we will talk on, and during the session I will start that, and under I will try to tell you everything. And Varma, if you feel like to add, if I you think I missed anything, you can simply interact with me and you can say that we are missing that thing. Okay, Varma. Presentation is clear. Someone unmute and let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Everyone has a Facebook account, almost everyone. So you will get a option with that page. As you click on that page, this is the basic. I'm not going for it to practical. I will show you the in the last session. Most of the people just request for that if they really want to feel that how actually it works, because it is quite hard for them to understand on the presentation. We will do that, but these are the basic and one-time job. So we will do that. Okay. As you log in your page, you will get an option, the page. As you will create the page, you will get the option. And as you click on create the new page, you will get the three options that you have to complete. Page name, which can be very unique, and always remember that this is your brand name, and brand name must be very simple, relatable, easy to pronunciate, easily you can pronounce, not like most of the Indian you used to pronounce Volkswagen, actually it's the Volkswagen. Like BMW, we Indian used to say BMW, but the foreigner in Europe, BMP. Okay, so when you are going to think or work on your brand name, actually the page you are creating, this is nothing but the brand you are going to build in the community. Okay, so do some research and try so hard to make your brand easy and which can relate with your content or the product. In which category you are going to, means like I used to post for the marketing, it is a social media agency, so I put that one. Description, if your name is unique, like my name, I want that this page run through the Vishu Tripathi, I put the name Vishu Tripathi. If I say Verma, my brand name is Vishu Tripathi, then I have to express what actually this is. If I simply say someone, this is some related, like Nescafe has created a great brand value. If I say anyone Nescafe, they will know that's a coffee. But if I tell it's a new brand, Vishu Tripathi, if it is not relatable, okay, then I have to express. Like I am a counselor, and I simply write down counsel tech. Somewhere you will click that counsel tech means a person counsel about technology, a bit he will relate with the brand name, okay, or the page name. You have to describe, like I created a page name, Marketing Intern. Marketing Intern community for those enthusiasts who want to share the knowledge of social media marketing. Means this page is all about social media marketing. Okay, till now clear, everyone? Your actual work starts from here. The page name nothing but you, the brand you are going to make it valuable, or the brand for what you are going to work. In which category, okay, in which category your brand going to lie. Another thing you have to describe what actually this page for, what is the purpose, what actually that brand is. It is clear or not? And this is not an easy task. I'm telling you. Anyone here who is doing his MBA currently, or pursuing in an MBA, or completed? Anyone? So, what about kind of brand? I think you guys are well aware about some coined attribute and three kind of, okay, brand lie in, okay. But brand name must be relatable, and you cannot simply name anything. In marketing management, you guys have studied. Vama? So always don't take, if you are serious about your page, you really want that you create a community of 1 million, 2 million. So you have to work, and even your name can be, no issues. Even your name can be a brand. Like most of the people, even Gary Minati has his own page, but most of the fans are running. Okay, most of the means some fans have created the Cariminati fan page. Even those pages have around 10,000, 15,000, 1 lakh followers. Have you ever came across anyone? Have you ever came across fan pages like Saruk Khan fan page, and they have good life? Okay, people what used to do, some videos of Cariminati or post related to Saruk Khan, they keep posting, and we like it. The Shahrukh Khan cannot do that. Means some movie shortcut. They shortcut means a short video they keep putting some related memes. Okay. Even sometime I don't know you guys know or not. When these celebrities came across that this page, this fan page had around 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, or 1 million followers, they even give them a monetary benefit. Means you are working on my brand, you have built a community and posted related to me. So they give them some monetary benefit, but this is actually they never public it. Okay. Whenever you are going to, after completing this, okay, uh, sometime it take one day. If you are going for the big brand, means like any brand want to go for the expansion in another field, okay, so hard, okay, the brand name must be unique, very sounding, simple, relatable, okay, and doesn't ever very similar to other brands, because maybe your effort get benefited by, like earlier, 1 week ago, okay, a people named Amrinder Singh, who is a footballer, get tagged because someone praising or backbiting the CM of Punjab, Amrinder Singh. Anyone came across this news on Twitter? He requested that I am Amrinder Singh footballer, not CM
Yes,
of
sir.
Punjab.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So always remember your brand name must not be similar or relatable with the others. Because sometimes means most of the people don't know who is Amrinder Singh footballer. But by this incident, do you believe that around 20 lakh, more than 20 lakh people came across that Indian footballer named Amrinder Singh? He get benefited by the brand name similar with the CM Amrinder Singh. It is relatable or not? I'm requesting you all. It seems boring, so I go through only PPT. I am requesting you all. Interact. This is a Sunday. I know this evening 1 hour is really hard to pay for any other. Okay, so I'm requesting you. It is going to pass so far. After that, we come to the logo for the page and the cover page. Logo represent or tell about your brand. Through the logo, you can also market it. Okay, logo represent you. Logo and cover page simply tell about your purpose, your business, and what actually you want to do, and what actually the purpose of this page. Okay, guys, can you tell me why a logo is important for any organization? I think you guys came across two logo every day. Which two logos are? I am expecting at least 20, 30 replies. Unique identity. Yes, Verma. Great, Sreyash. Yes, Avantika. Divya. Representation of the brand. Yes, Mary. Fine, then easily. Most of the people are very close to it. Logo is nothing but your Aadhaar card or identity. Means somewhere there is a logo, means this property or this thing belongs to you, or you have paid to put the logo at that place. You guys, I don't know about others, but if you are at your home, you came across two to three logos. Two are common, two, three are common. Facebook, as you log in, as you touch your app, you get that. Facebook, YouTube. And if you have any product at your place, you always came across. But you guys ever came across, it is easy or hard? Means creating a logo is an easy task or really tough one? What do you think? Like you are going to start a page tomorrow after this session. How you will how you will create your logo? You guys are ready to pay 1,000 to 15,000 for logo creation. If you are going to create a page, And in the next step, you want a logo for your page. Are you ready to spend 1,000 to 15,000 rupees for logo creation? Means some agency create a logo for you. Okay. Yes, actually, Ashwin, I want to say to all that Canva. Okay, Canva is the best place where you can create logo. You get too many options. Even you can edit, and if you want to add something, you can add it. But there is a great agencies, graphic designer or illustrator expert or Photoshop experts get handsome income by creating the logo or by editing the logo or by changing the logo. Those who have used Instagram from 2012, 13 or 15, they have get a change on the logo of Instagram. How many of you minded? Earlier it was a pure camera, after that a minor change, and today this is like circle and a dot in between. You guys notice that or not? And what is the need of, if you have created logo once, what is the need to change it? People to convey the message or keep updating the people, or they really want to show something with that they have come, they have came across one idea what they can add. Okay, Instagram has revealed that they are changing because most features has been added to the Instagram. So camera, a simple camera become some after changes, and after that it's like a circle and a dot in between. Okay, the purpose of changing a logo means that they are changing in their services. They are becoming more attractive. They are very familiar to their audiences. Okay, attractive is actually not the subject. Changing a logo means that you are changing in your services, or you are adding in the adding feature in your services. Okay, you are making your product more vast and all. Okay, and cover page, always remember that when you go for in the Canva, you will get the option how to create the Facebook cover page, and dimension meant to be the 2015 to 780, which is fit for the Facebook page, and where simply you put your tagline, try to that. And tagline actually represent your goal. What is your goal? What is the aim and goal of the company? Do you understand what is the importance of tagline, guys? What is the importance of tagline? Why? If I have a product, if I have a content, why do I bother to create a logo, a cover page, and a tagline? Why it is important? I have a huge content. Like if you take an example of Nike, just do it. Whenever they going to create awareness, okay, or for go for the advertisement. So like Nike want to create awareness among the audience and want more followers. Okay, like I don't know about the Nike, and I see that there's a Nike a right check over there, and just do it. I will just think that what actually it is if I am not aware. It a bit tell about what is your aim, what you are going, what actually your brand is. If you go for a big brand, every brand has its tagline. It is or not. Tagline is also important. Like in this page, you will come to know that this learn with togetherness means I have created a community, and marketing intent purpose means everyone learn to each other. It is clear? Any question related cover page, logo, and the tagline? And when you are going to start your page, uh, it may take one whole day. if you will do a rough work, like you go to the Canva and simply type your name. Any question related to this? Thank you, Akash, Nikhil, and Santosh. Divya. So we are moving forward where we have to work, and that is username must be unique. Marketing intent can be relatable. Okay, it can be means anyone can create the page or by changing something like marketing intern at the end he put two n two times and he create the same page. But username must be unique means if I want to find Verma, simply I go there Instagram or Facebook at the rate Verma. I will type and it helps to find the, it helps to search the audience. Like Verma told me that Vishwanath, that Borosil bottle is really amazing. I will go for the Google. I will type Borosil. If I want to go for the catalog and the post related to the products on Instagram, I will go there at the rate. Or if I want to tag, search, or anything you want to do, it helps you. And always try to keep in your mind, okay, never use any special character. Actually they don't allow the special character or number, sometimes they allow or not, I'm really not aware of it. Okay, after that it's a button. Okay, now I am coming to the practical part of it. The screen is visible, someone unmute and let me know. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you. So you will get a button. That button actually called CTA, call to action button. Okay, let me introduce you from the chart. This is the page name. Okay, this is the username. It is related to blogging. Means count. There is a blog. Actually, councilworld.in is a blog. Currently, it is not active because I was busy in last 1 month. So I don't want to spend because I was not working on it. So you will not get that blog currently, but after a week it will start. This is CTA button. I am getting it here with that edit book now. But if you will go on the councilworld.in, you will get the WhatsApp button here. This is actually CTA call to action button as I will go to that. When you are creating a page, you will get the option. Okay. What kind of you want that people directly follow from there, you can put this button. If you are a business or you want to gift some card to your leads, to your audience, to your customers, you can go for it and put it on your page. Start order like you are selling food or anything else that you want to deliver or take order from there. Okay, you can put this CTA button there. Book now, like you are a doctor and you want that. I don't really want to bother that set up a website and go for the agency and they create for me and handle all these and I pay them huge amount. So you can manage your bookings from here. Call now. If you are a business who are like a RO water supplier, he really need all these notes. He simply want a call now. Simply call me. I will go. I will provide you 10 liter, 20 liter, 30 liter, 100 liter bottle at your place. He will put simply call now. Contact us. If you want that people visit, if you have any issue, if you want to publish them, that you have your mail ID. Like I have info@councilworld.in. If people want that I book them, I interact with them, so they can email me. And I have put the mobile number means those who want to connect with me directly, they can call me. And those who are not comfortable and want to message me, they simply direct WhatsApp me. You can add it, okay? And always remember that WhatsApp number and call now number must be same. It create a trust between the customer. And another thing, you get the messages at one number, so it will be easy. Sometimes people make mistake because in current scenario, everyone used to have two number. One they used to make a call and another for the WhatsApp. So for the call now, they put the secondary number, and on the WhatsApp, they put their personal number. Send a message. Okay, I don't know you guys are aware or not, but Messenger is now more lucrative. Even you can add there, you can message there, even you can add Messenger in your website. How many of you familiar with this? You can add Messenger button in your website. Anyone came across? Means you are visiting a website, in the right end or right upper, you get a button which is very similar to Messenger. It is actually not similar, it is actually Messenger. Means one who is visiting your website can directly message you from there. Anyone came across? Or you can say, see, very similar to AI chatbot. If you visit a website, you get the right side chat now. Or simply, as you land to the website, you get a message on right side, a pop-up, simply blink that, hi there, what can I do for you? Please let me know, and kind of things. Okay. Actually, the purpose of doing all this, everyone want to serve their customer in a better way and want to resolve any issue in the minimum time. Okay, because customer satisfaction is priority to all. Okay, send a message, email. If you will put your email, as they will click on it, okay, they will get a box where their mail ID and your default login will be there, and type the message. Learn more means, if you have a website and you want that people really explore your website, you want traffic from the social media, what you will do means, some people who are not aware with the Google Ads, okay, how they will, if you have not huge amount to spend or you don't have learning for the ads, simply put the URL. Okay, people as they will land, okay, you will get to know with that how many people land on your page. If you want to traffic, but this traffic will come under direct traffic. Any traffic which redirect from the social media platform, Google actually consider it direct traffic and not under organic or inorganic. Okay, sign up form. What you actually understand by sign up? Anyone? I'm requesting you all participate in the chat box. What is the mean of sign up? It is important or not? I think everyone has ever signed up. Okay, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everything is a subject of sign up. Even you start your Android first time to join. It is important for whom? Not actually to join. Sign up actually has a great purpose to create the account. But why? If YouTube has a lot of videos, okay, why they really eager about that? Verma tell him the his name, his mobile number, from where he belong, and what is his birthday. Collection of data. Nikhil, very close to participate. Sign up is nothing but getting the lead and converting those leads into the customers or paid customers. You guys understand the meaning of lead? Anyone will please tell me, anyone, what in a very brief way, what actually lead is? If I simply say I get a lead, what does it mean? Yes, Nikhil. Potential customer who has willing to buy your product or services, or he is looking for. YouTube and Facebook, why collect, or Google, why collect your data? Because through your search history, they can provide you the kind of ads. Okay, you are lead means you are interested in the Google services. So if you have searched for the in the Google, if you have searched for the government job, you will keep getting the post related to the government job. They actually, this is the way to keep you tracking. Okay, the kind of people there. This is actually a data, and always remember, someone has said that in this era, in this digital era, data will be more expensive than crude oil. And you guys and we don't understand, simply we put our name and mobile number, but the organization put a lot of effort and give a lot of freebies to us for the sake of we can provide them the name, mobile number and mail id. There's a lot of digital marketer who simply say that he download this PDF or ebook by providing your more mobile number, name, and mail ID. Simply we think that we get a great PDF, but no, means you were the potential customer. How they will reach to you? Only by name they cannot reach to you. Means like Akash is there, Nikhil is there, okay, Divya is there. So there is a lot of Nikhil, Akash, and Divya, but mail ID and phone number is unique uh, globally, so it is easy to track them. Okay, so most of the marketer or most of the agencies put a lot of effort. And one question, who put more effort? Like startup put a lot of effort to get the data, people never reveal, but at the personal level, which is illegal also, but people share or sell the data. I don't know you guys ever came across or not. You haven't ever searched the data for the Byju's, but you start getting the mail of Byju's and ads and pop-ups. How many of you came across Byju's mail in the spam or the promotional mail? Okay, you start getting the text messages and pop-up. How it happened? You never searched. Anyone ever came across? It is not about only Byju's. Some other startup or some other organization about whom you never search, but you never provide your mail ID or mobile number, but you start getting the mail and messages. So how do they know you have a mobile number and mail ID? Actually, at personal level, they exchange the data with a huge amount. If an startup has a good funder, okay, good fund, and there's a lot of billionaires behind them who are financing them, so they don't want to spend the time, means they go for a journey of 6 months, 3 months to collect the data by providing the freebies. So they simply think that we will buy related data. Means Byju's never buy data from Zomato. Do you think Zomato data is relevant for the Byju's? No, Byju's will buy data from some edtech giant or some edtech or a small edtech institutions. Okay, so we think that we, for the sake of freebies, we provide, but it is quite insecure. By the time we will see what will the consequences. Visit group means if you have a created a group and you providing every morning or every day, it is very similar to Telegram channel. Okay, if you have a created video or shop on the website, if you have a website where people can shop. Any question related this CTA, call to action button. You guys have listened this word ever earlier? CTA, call to action button. Okay, so we are moving forward. This is very important thing. You have done your work or not will visible here. Wait a while. This is about section where you will provide all the information if one person had bought a product, okay, and if he has issue, how he will connect to you, okay. Let me show you. It is visible, everyone. This is about, okay, about the page for which location you locate. You can provide coordinates or simply you can click it and it will take your default location. What actually Counsel World do? Counsel World will help people to make their mind more productive. Means it is some counseling kind of, means these this is related kind of posts every day. Target audience used to get 375 people likes it. Okay, 307 people follow. This is the URL, okay, for the counselworld.in. If you want to promote your website, means get the more traffic or learn more, you can promote your website here. One thing, my calling number and WhatsApp number is the same. Okay, these two always align. Okay, or the same. Why? Anyone can tell me why both numbers should be same? It creates trust in your customer. And another thing, how many of you, when you are going to add WhatsApp number in the Facebook page, never use a personal WhatsApp messenger. Always use business WhatsApp. Anyone know about WhatsApp business and benefit of WhatsApp business? Okay, Darwin, can you tell me what are the benefits of having a WhatsApp business? People or attendees are very lethargic. How many of you are familiar with the WhatsApp business and why only WhatsApp business connect with your Facebook page? What are the reasons? Anyone know? Even you guys don't bother to say yes or no. You know, either this session is completely boring or I am not providing relevant data or you guys are not interested. I don't know. Even you guys don't bother to say that, sir. It is not up to mark what we are expected, or you are bad teacher, or you are not providing the relevant data. Yes, Darwin. Very good. Not easy to communicate. Even WhatsApp is easy to communicate. No issues. You can create a group. But what actually make very different the WhatsApp business I am showing you. Just see this. Okay, this is Counsel Word, and in this section you will find that this is the name. We have a way to keep you motivated. Social media agency. This is the address where I counsel people face to face. This is location in Allahabad. Okay, we are open 24/7, but I have to make change. I have transferred to the Varanasi. Okay, and here you can also put your mail ID and you can put your website. Along with it, you can put the catalog, product of the catalog. Means, and from here you can share the URL of the catalog. It is easy. Like if you have an idea to do something now, means you want that how product perform. You can start from the niche. Like you have a contact list of 100 people in your WhatsApp. You can share the URL of your catalog to the 100 people. It is easy, different, or it is very means it is like uh, uh, creating business page on Facebook or WhatsApp, isn't, guys? it make everything easy for you or not? Means you simply create a catalog and you share your product and services. I know that you guys ever came across there is a catalog list. As you click a message sent to someone and someone send you a catalog list on WhatsApp. They do business through the WhatsApp. They send you a catalog, choose and send your address, we will provide you. Ever came across WhatsApp business or ever listen about create your WhatsApp store in 15 minutes, 15 seconds, 20 minutes? So, like I am Vishnu Tripathi running a council world, okay, and I am creating a catalog and I want to share with my group or with my colleagues, with my friends, I can share. Okay, whenever you are going to enter about that page, always connect your WhatsApp with the WhatsApp business, not a personal or the simple WhatsApp messenger. It is clear or not? Okay. After that, I have put my mail ID. Okay. These are the details. Any question related this? Any question related CTA call to action button? Any question related to about the page? And how many of you well aware what I tell you explained you earlier? How many of you aware about all these? Means we spend every day around more than 2 hours on social media as per statistics. Means 2 hour 24 minutes every day. This is a globally average result. Every people spend around 2 hour 24 minutes. Ever you came across Facebook have worked a lot to create such platforms? Ever you think that people making lakhs of rupees by creating a Facebook page? We simply scroll, spend the time. Ever you came to know that how Facebook makes money? We never paid for. Okay, so if you are a part of it now, at least learn it. If we are scrolling, always try to understand why you just came to know this product. Why this product visible to you, not your friend. Always. What is the purpose of creating the page? Okay, now I am showing you this. As you will go to the option promote the page. Okay, if you will go in the console word, let me show you. Wait a while. You get the option automated ad. Automated ad will work when you have created the content, you have a good audience, or good audience means at least 100 audience, 100 likes or followers. You have created the post and the interaction with the post, so they will generate automated, and in automated ad you can make changes like this. I'm showing you. Okay, where who is your audience and where they exist? Means I have choose Lucknow and Allahabad, but if you want, you can add. Like I want to add New Delhi. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's not wrong. Let me. Yes, Delhi, India. I want to target Dehradun. It doesn't. Okay, this. So if you want to make changes, you can make changes. It doesn't mean if it has created automated, it is completely automated. If you want to location, if you do you want to know people where is your business, if you have website, okay, kind of contact. As you move to the next, you can add 6 pictures which they will show in their ads. Okay, to the different time with different ads. If I this is by default, this is the cover page of the council work, so this takes. But this is not good for, because if people see this ad like this, they will not connect. It is not lucrative. It is not attracting them. So I have to work which completely visible in this style. Okay, build your ad as my spend, what I have spent till now, who are my target audience, and I want more messages on the messenger. I want that. This is the ad which will be visible for me. This is by default. This take the average I spent. You can edit it via this. Means if you want to simply invest 100 rupees, right? Okay. I save this. 100 rupees take by default and 18 rupees tax. So I have only 100 rupees. So I will edit it more. I will go for 80. Okay, 90 rupees. Save this. Means 90 rupees and 16 rupees this. Even I don't have 6 rupees more. So I will again edit it. Like I try for the 85 rupees. So 85 this and 15 tax and 100 rupees 30 paisa. You have to add it through the Paytm or anything you want to promote. As you will go for the promote now, they are submitting ad, and this is automated ad. Okay, go to the ad center where they will ask for the money. And how you can create ad, I am just let you know how to fulfill your goal. If you go for the choose ad, what kind of ad you want to do. Okay, when you go for the first time, let me show you. You will get the option choose what is your goal actually. You want to get more messages through this page. You want to get more messages on the WhatsApp, or you have a website where you want more visitor, or you want to get leads. I think everyone is well aware about the leads. Everyone, like Byju's. If Byju's want the information of the student of the standard second to 12, okay, about, so they will provide some PDF, download and provide this information so they can target. Lead is nothing but your potential customers or willing to pay for the, or he is looking for your services or the product. Okay, I hope I hope it is clear. What is the purpose of this goal? What is the goal of this page? And boost page means something you have posted and you get the organic hits, comments on this section, around 100 likes and 100 comments. So you think that it has potential to spread some awareness about your brand. So you will post that, boost that post, boost the Instagram page. Facebook actually has a feature where you can, by default, if you will post on Facebook, by default it will land to the Instagram. If you will post on Instagram, it will by default land to the Facebook. Okay, they have features, so this will be visible too. If you have created the page and you want that its logo and its cover page must be create a awareness among your potential customers, so you can promote. Like, I created page today, I have logo, I have cover page, I have tagline, but I have only 10 to 15 content, but I want to promote my page. You can, if you have a local business, like you have a shoe shop and you want to promote it in your local area, and people just to know that Vishwanath Tripathi has a shoe shop where he has the variety of products at the cheap price, so you can do that also. How many of you understand what is analytics? What is analytics and what it's used in this digital era? Anyone? I am asking about analytics, not analysis. Analysis means you have a get data and you analyzing. That is analysis. Analytics actually a tools or the platform which provide you the data, and through that data you simply get some insight what kind of changes you can and how you will. Let me show you. First, see this in the presentation. Okay, I will show you in the ad how people know that. Like Vishwanath Tripathi has a page. Okay, in the ad center, I go there. This is kind of analytics. Okay, where I just came to know that where here I spend nothing, no objective, no reach. Simply I created. Here I spend only 0.04 and get the 2 reach. I spend here, okay, for the purpose to get the more likes, 231 rupees. I reach 462 people and 91 likes. Means the conversion rate must be high. Conversion rate. Okay, I spend more. Here I get that I spend 46 rupees and 51. Means I really want, which make me, means I really want awareness. Means people are not aware with my page. So first I have to create the reach. Means I spend only 7.5 rupees. Means it is easy for anyone. I get the 70 post engagement and 340 to reach. You guys understand the difference between reach and engagement? I think everyone has a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube account. So I think everyone has understanding of reach and engagement. So what is the difference between Darwin? Only 2 to 3 people bother to answer. Remains I don't know, have logged in and leave your their laptops and mobile somewhere or doing something else, I don't know. Response to engagement. Verma, a bit change. I think a bit change. You are close. Engagement is interaction. Reach is just being visible. Yes, Nikhil. Very true. Thank you. It means that only 70 people engage with the content, okay, or visit my website, or that post I boost there. Okay, this post is boosted, so they engage this. And this is which is simply they are scrolling and came across. Means you are scrolling, you get a ad, you get a sponsored ad there. Okay, when if you are very new, so target for a week, set a budget, and go for the reach. If a people in one, it is a mindset of people. If you are seeing anything 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, someday you bother to touch what actually it is. So if you are a new, go for always for maximum reach. Okay, post engagement or post boost a post. Okay, why this is important? Okay, now this is simply a rough way with that you cannot analyze. Okay, simply you can get the costing, mean that how much spent, how much likes you get and reach. 5 divided by 5 around 10 rupees or 8 rupees or 9 rupees per likes, per cost per like. Okay, data analytics tell you how your post respond by your spend, or how your post work by your followers or the people who have liked the page. One thing, let me show you inside. This is the best thing of the Facebook. If you don't have a mind to set up a blog or the website, if you don't have resources and if you don't want to spend more, simply go to the Facebook marketplace. You create catalog, you create a business ID there, and you can promote with the little expense. Okay, this is the result for the last 28 days. You can also change it for the 6 months, a month, a year. Okay, this year, if I change, this is the result for 1 year, January 21 to October. Okay, I reached 31,411 people. Facebook reached 33,301, and Instagram reaches this. As you will go there, you will find that Facebook page has 375 likes, where age between 18 to 24. Okay, Mates, if you, I go through one finding with that. I have to target men or boys because here men's ratio is more. Here 25 to 34 years, the percentage of men and women, the if you will find the ratio, there is the huge gap. Here is the huge gap, and here no women, no women, no women. So when I am going to next time ad on Facebook, I can simply ignore the audience female. So I will target more men. So possibility of getting reach and engagement will be more with the less spend. I just to uh, analyze the Instagram follower. Okay, 18 to 24, there is a ratio between 31 to 15, means better than the Facebook. So here I can target women or girls wisely. The age between 25 to 34. Here we have to work very wisely whom I have to target. Means I can target women age between 18 to 25. But I can target the age of boys or men from 18 to 44. It is or not? That's why I'm telling you analysis or analytics both are important. I get some insight or not. Actually, digital world work on the basis of analysis. Means they never interact with the customer. Review, analysis, and analytics. These three things always align. Okay, analysis. The analysis they do for their betterment to grow, and review help the customers. It is or not what I discussed about the Google, Facebook Insight. You get why it is important. In the next step, you when you will do your first ad, you have no insight. So you have to think that if the product or services of the content you are creating, this is liked by which category, which age group. The content you are like, you are selling lipstick, you are selling some cosmetic, you will not target boys, simply you will target girls. If you are uh, selling some boy shoes, you will not target girls. But if you get the response that ki men's and women's equally participating for the product, because girls gift to their brothers, boyfriend, fiancé, husband, and boys do the same for their sister, girlfriend, fiancé, wife. So you will start targeting, and how you will get to know? You will get to know through the analytics. It is clear or not? Sorry. Analytics actually help you to improve in a better way. Okay. So maybe this session seems boring to you guys, and I am going to finish it soon. Okay. And there is an option, if you are not available, you can send a by default message. And I am requesting you all read this. Thanks for the messaging us. We try to be as responsive as possible. We will get back to you. If you want to connect with our counselor, please ping on WhatsApp. How many of you ever get this message? And this message you can get the messenger and WhatsApp business also. Guys, you ever came across such message or get such message ever? And this message, if you have ever get that, it is a website, AI chatbot, messenger, or the WhatsApp business. Means like you simply write a message in the midnight around 2 or 3 o'clock. Such kind of message you will get. If it is not AI chatbot, it is or not. And this message, what you have set by default, it will be land at both place, at Facebook and Instagram both. Let me show you how actually it does work. You will go to the Facebook suite, okay? In the inbox, here you can respond to your messenger, Instagram direct, okay, Facebook comments. You can reply all the messages here. If you want to answer all the messages, you can do that. You will get the icon here. If you simply want to answer the people who replied you or questioned you on messenger or Instagram direct, Facebook comments, if you want to reply, simply you can do all that here. And this is the auto, means someone send me a message and he get that message because I was not available there. If I want to change the message, simply I will change the automated response. We'll go there and go to the edit, and I can make some changes. If I want to add something, add the customer name or anything, means someone is very specific. Like Verma is very familiar and he has too many questions. Next time I will interact, I will try to add his name or her name. Okay. So if you want that people feel like, and why this is important, anyone, let me know that why automated response is important. What is urgent? I will just reply in the next morning. This is important because one who message you feel I get a response. Like I message Verma, hi, and Verma replied 2 or 3 days later. I feel like that he don't bother to message me in the next morning. Night is okay, but next morning he has to reply now. But if I automated message he will get now, there is a psychological effect. I get the response for the Vishwanath Tripathi. So this usefulness is two things to aware about his connect. How you can connect means my purpose is that through this automotive response, I want that he connect with me personally through the WhatsApp. If I will be there, no issues, I will reply. Okay. This is the option. In if you will go to the page setting, you will get that Instagram. In the Instagram, you can connect your Facebook and Instagram. You can add your WhatsApp number. Another thing, you can get your through the Facebook pixel. Okay, you can get the analytics, how it is responding, how your website is responding. You will get a HTML code you have to put in your website. This is not your subject. Thank you very much. Okay, but one question, if you want to get the certificate of Facebook, all the services, which university you will apply? Anyone. If you want to do the certification, from which university you will, or how you will get to know that Vishnath Tripathi is good or bad. Either I show my work like I showed you, okay, or you just came across what kind of certification I have done. So how you will know that? And one question: there is a lot of digital marketers. How you know that they are good or bad? And ever you think that when Facebook introduced all this, how we will familiar this service is good or bad? Actually, the beauty of digital marketing, every digital platform first teach you, then emphasize to implement all this. So let me show you one thing. Those who I will take 10 more minutes. It is okay or not? Everyone. I will take 10 minutes, which is good for you. I will provide you the task link through the Rajiva. I will make it in the night and you will next morning get that. Okay. You guys have to task complete. Okay. So like people like Vishwanath, when Facebook ad is created now, Facebook created a certification course. How I do know that? How do I know that? What is the use and relevance of Facebook page? This is the place. They teach you first. Get started with the Facebook page that I told you. Profile and page, what is the difference between them? Okay. Facebook page inspiration, and you will get there. What is the geography of the Facebook? Geography means what you will get in the Facebook page. Facebook page category, actually how many category and how you will select your category. As I told you, your brand name, name your Facebook page, that will be your brand. Add your profile picture, which will be the logo, and how you will invite the friends. And after that, choose the page name. As I told you, page description, how important for you. Call to action button, I show you all the list which are enlisted under the CTA button. Add the local business detail, means about your business, where it exists, what its mobile number, mail ID, website. Okay. And Facebook rating and reviews which exist in the page. And assign Facebook page role, means like Verma told that he is managing, means that institute have assigned him a role for editor, administrator, only view. Means I am only I do analysis for the page, then he will simply provide me only I can view, I cannot make any changes. If I have assigned Verma role for making changes, he can make changes, but he cannot authoritate or make anyone provide another role. Okay, I am sending you from where you can learn all the courses. Everyone requesting you open your notepad. These are the courses which are available under the course section. You will go. This is Facebook Blueprint. You can simply type on Google Facebook Blueprint. Everyone just copy it. From where here you can learn all the services available on the Facebook, along with you can get the certificate. How many of you eager to learn one thing? Google also provide ample of certificate course, and you can get the certification in the digital marketing fundamental and skills and fundamental expert or advanced version. If people, you guys are really eager and want to pursue in the certification course, so I share you the Google digital marketing link. How many of you want? This is the Facebook where you can, and this is the Facebook blueprint course. And what I told you, I think you will get to know that. Okay. This is for the Facebook page setup link. This is link for the Facebook page setup. You can go, it will not take more than 20-30 minutes. Okay. I'm not going to share because most of the people not really want that. I share with you the Google fundamental and Skillsoft. So, how many of you willing to wait a while? I am requesting you all, please fill this form. This is Google form. Please please fill, and after filling, just write down. done in the chat box. It will not take more than a minute. And one thing I want to ask, there is 17 people. Any recommendation from your side for me? Recommendation like I need some improvement, the area of improvement, or I have to present more. Especially this question to the Verma, what do you think? Anything left that I have to add in this session? And I am requesting you all, please recommend me. It was a bad session, very frank. Tell me because your review helped me to improve more. When if I will not get the response from you now, I will feel like it was an amazing session. People are getting the things. That's why they are not asking questions. And I will don't feel bad. If it is worst, simply say worst. It is a bad. It is not connecting to the content. PPT was not quite good. Whatever I showed you going through the pages, please let me know. And I am requesting you all 15 or 16. Okay. How was the session, Nikhil? And after filling this Google form, please type done. So I know that. I could know that. No issues, Verma. No issues. I will share PPT with you. Okay. Thank you, Verma. Thank you, Chitish. I am requesting you all because when I go to in my Google form now, I only get 10, 20. Means when people are more, it really this heartening. Thank you, Divya. Do you guys feel like I just give the relevant information? You feel like it is relevant, I can implement. Thank you, Santosh.